Wouldn't it be nice to bring a little piece of the cottage home for the holidays? But if you're looking for a full tree that will hold up all of your ornaments, that balsam fir from the lake isn't gonna cut it. A wild tree will not like your living room's weather conditions. Like you and I, trees pay attention to the seasons. Also like you and I, trees go dormant in the winter. If you bring your tree inside, the branches will go limp, exactly the opposite of what you want in a Christmas tree. A tree that's native to your cottage has roots that spread far and wide underground in order to get the nutrients that it needs to survive. If you were to try and dig it up, you would need a lot of muscle and a very large pot. It's best just to leave it in the ground. If you want to avoid chopping down a live tree, consider buying a potted one from your local nursery at home. After Christmas, take it outside, water it, and repot it if necessary. It should last a few holiday seasons. And, as a bonus, if you buy a tree that's native to your cottage area, you can take it back up to the lake in the spring and replant it.